Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to schedule a Facebook Messenger message. Follow along so you won't miss a step. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store app on our phone. Now I want you to search Auto Text. Now I want you to install this Auto Text Schedule Messages. And once installed, click on Open. From here, I want you to click on the plus button located at the lower part of the screen and select Schedule. Now I want you to select Messenger. Now from here, you can go ahead and select the title and the message. And to select a recipient, you just need to click this button here and click on Messenger. You just need to follow that one to pick a messenger recipient, or you can just put a manual name and it will show it here. And after that one, you just need to schedule the time. And if you want it to be repetitive, you can do that as well. And you can toggle the Ask Me Before Sending. And once you filled up everything, you just need to confirm by clicking the check button. And you just need to click on Provide Device PIN or Password. And then provide your password. And you're done. You already scheduled your first message. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!